Ciao guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm gonna rebuild my motorcycle to piston floating brake caliper. The floating caliper should be easy to move, should move freely. This is how it should move. And check this out how it's stuck this one. Like this doesn't work very well. Plus more, the brake piston are also stuck. You may immediately understand that the piston brake is stuck when you move the motorcycle and is braked. It's difficult to move. Nice toys, the impact screwdriver. I really suggest you if you don't have it one. Remember the video how should move it freely? It look like the grease has turned into glue. If not damaged, you may think to reuse the pin boots and the dust boots. Just one question, since they are cheap and you are making a full overhaul of your brake caliper, why just don't replace it? Also because often are included in the overall kit of the brake caliper. Extract the piston brake. If they doesn't come out with air compressor, the easiest way to do it is to use the brake pump. Always wear your gloves, your glasses and your old PPI. I remind you that the brake fluid is corrosive, so whenever you get dirt, clean immediately. Removing the old dust seal and the pressure seal is an easy job. I just want you to pay attention to do not damage the brake piston cylinder. Time to clean all this stuff. As you can see, the leather pins are a little bit corroded. Better to give it a quick polish. I'm just cleaning with a soft wire brush the dust seal housing and the pressure seal housing. I'm not creating any scratch to the piston cylinder. Wet a little bit in the brake oil, the dust seal and the pressure seal before inserting the brake caliper. Sometimes happens that the dust seal is not well seated. Let's see if I can show you. The dust seal must be flush in the brake cylinder. Even these little lips doesn't work. Like this, you will not even able to insert the piston brake. Around the boots that are made of rubber, use just only silicone-based lubricant. Use only high-quality silicone grease. New brake pad, clean gloves. The video ends here. I don't think I have to show you how to install the brake pads. Anyway, as soon as possible I will make a video about it in another motorcycle. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe and let me know if you like this video. Ciao! Ciao!